Okay, right. So what we're doing is a game of calling the shots, but every time you don't land a trick after 3 goes, you get shot by my gun, which I've got here.
You get 3 goes to land it, and if you don't land it, then you get 3 shots.
What?
3 goes to land it.
You basically just said
I was just staring at you.
and you get shot if you don't.
Wait, fuck off! Stop being critical. Go away.
I'm not.
And then, right, just to show you how powerful it is, we're just gonna, just in case you didn't know, we're just gonna shoot something. So, yeah. Right. I don't know if you can see that, but it's made like little holes in the tree. Can you see it in the camera? You see it on the camera?
No, I don't think so. Hold on. Anyway, that's gonna hurt if that hits your back.
Right, Rochambeau for who goes first, right?
Yeah. Oh, fuck, does that mean I'm first?
Yeah, that means you're first.
Alright, so you two then.
Right, okay. Oh, yes, I'm last. I'm not. So,
What do you want me to do? First, right?
I want to see. Right, this is first, so not hard to start with. Okay, yeah.
I'll throw it down 3 over.
3, right.
3 over the box.
3 over the
Right,
box.
cool.
2, whatever. Yeah, okay.
Right, let me get over there. Now.
Oh my arse!
That was pretty sick, to be fair. Right, Amelia, it's your go. Nose man in the box.
Yeah.
And then box a fakie, right? But then half cab, like out the.
So rock and roll.
No, but like no, when you're
Yeah,
in
rock
the
and roll.
fakie.
Oh no, in the fakie half cap, so actually 180 out.
Yeah,
Right, okay.
yeah, like a nice cheeky.
Yo.
That's it.
Okay, I got it.
Right, okay.
Alright, I want to see a can over the box.
Yeah.
And then a fakie from the rolling to the quarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. No!
Alright.
I've already.
Alright. I'll do it first. I'll try. I can't fucking then. I fucking answered you. No, well,
I can't wait to shoot him.
I need a drink.
Oh yes!
So, Aaron seems to have failed his first set,
Which one's it? Oh.
so we're going to shoot him. Where?
Look.
Alright, see it there. Gonna bar up the box,
Yeah.
come back round and air the box backwards. Play the box
Play
backwards.
the box back.
Yes.
Alright, but I'm gonna whip that kid though.
Wait, what am I coming over here for? Right, Emilio, I want to see, right, finger flip up the box, okay, and then 3 to fakie on the quarter. Right. Okay.
Alright, let's see it. Well, that's 2.
Oh, right, okay.
Who says it? Ashley.
Yeah, it's Ash's, right.
No, it's not, it's yours.
It's mine.
It's yours.
Yeah, that's right, it's mine.
I'm gonna kill you. Aaron's to do a feeble pedal saw fakie on this quarter, to come back round to do 180 down back.
Oh, that's not fun at all. My ball, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wait, I don't remember. No, it's
No, it's you. It's me, him, you. So you've just done it to me. I mean, Amelia can go now if he wants.
Yeah, no, you're last in it. And then, yeah, it's Ash.
Alright.
I want to see him do a 180 bar at the box.
Of the box.
180 bar.
Where's my bike? Oh. Alright, yeah, that's it.
Wait, get off the box and get out.
Chill out, man.
Yeah, but you don't. Do you have a YouTube channel and to make it look good? No. Do you do anything with your life? No.
That was mean.
No, I just got angry.
You weirdo!
Let's see a front 5-0 on the mini, and then we see you come back and do a blunt fakie.
Yep.
Yep. I'm still doing GCSEs.
Okay.
Right, I want to see Aaron do 180 down the court first try. First go. Ready, first go. Can I do the front face?
Okay. Manny across the box. No. Nose Manny across the box, right? To Manny down the box, and then tap on the quarter.
On one condition. Remind me to get some more electrical tape.
Get some more electrical tape. Let's do it.
You can have to.
Oh my god!
I saw a case. Right.
It's not a fun game.
Oh, it is a fun game.
You got like fucking shoulder blade thingamajiggy, you know the little weird plate thing in your back that looks like a chicken wing? So what we're seeing, I want to see something like train this bank to bank, come round, and then like fakey tail stall reeve it out on this little bank drop thingamajiggy. Yeah, no, that's it. Strike one.
I'd like to apologise for the sketchiness, but I'd rather land that like that than get shot.
No, pretty much I'd rather get shot.
Right, okay. Next call. Right, Aaron, I want to see you do 2-hanger on the rail to a 180 off on the box over there.
Alright. Okay. I'm taking that! I didn't full come out!
I'll give you it, it counts.
Oh, you two are so sketchy.
What I want to see is a like 180 out of the bank and then half cab into the quarter. Okay. Okay.
I can't even half cab.
Does that count?
My verdict, no.
What?
Have you ever said no so it didn't count?
No. Oh.
Yo! For someone who can't half cab, that was a beastly half cab. You know what I want to see, right? I want to see a wall ride on there.
I want to see a board slide.
Oh, dude, no.
Oh, this is it! This is it!
I want to shoot him!
Fuck the rest, bro.
I kind of want to see you fall off, so I know you'll fuck up a 180 can out of it. I want to see it.
I'm gonna die.
Could be, he won't be able to do it. I hope he flops on his side like a dead fish. Oh, that was boring. I expected it to look more painful. We need to call him hard, I think. Oh yes, that's what I was waiting for! Yeah. That is what I was waiting for!
Yeah. That's 3 goes.
Oh shit, can I shoot him? Right.
So fun.
There's something. I mean, Jesus Christ. I think.
I believe it's not mine.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is yours. Right, it is. Right, Ash. I want to see a truck.
You want me to see a truck?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you nearly had it.
Yeah.
Alright, let me take my fingers back up.
Okay.
No!
Shut.
Oh,
Wait, for real,
I
that
reckon.
was sick.
Wait, no, real talk right now. I reckon we should give him a redo. That was close.
Okay, we're giving him his rebate because that was just quite close, to be fair, and I think he deserves another one. I hope he doesn't land it though. No. I know exactly where I'm going to shoot you. Right in his bum.
Jesus Christ.
Hurts, doesn't it, getting shot on there?
Ash just got hit in the bum.
No, it's yours,
It's
isn't
my
it?
set. Right, let's go.
What?
Need to film it.
Okay. I want to see this little boy play that big box on his little skateboard.
Fuck's sake.
Oh yeah.
Decided that that was a tiny case,
Yeah, fuck
as you can see on the video.
His front wheels did touch this bit. It's my instinct.
Right, okay.
I think we've come to that beautiful time of the game where it's Aaron's turn.
Oh.
And if I'm like full on for real right now, I can honestly say that I want to see a 3 into that quarter. That mini quarter.
Well, no.
Well, yeah. I've never seen you do it. You've never thought of it.
Get.
You either do it, try it and get shot, or we get to shoot you on rapid fire. Which one's it going to be?
I'm gonna just shoot me on rapid fire, mate.
Right, let's go.
I'd much rather have that.
I'm shooting him. That's what you do when you don't try tricks. You get shot.
Right, next.
It's Ash's set. So,
Oh, where's my bike?
You take a letter for that, so you're an SHO.
yeah, I'm taking a letter. I'm on SHO.
That was shit, wasn't it?
Why? What is he doing? This isn't fun. It's just me getting shot.
You see, right, this, yeah, and like the concrete, yeah. I want you to run from over there. I want you to completely miss the concrete. Sorry, the quarter, right? From the top to the concrete, backside 180. Foot jam down whip on this little weird bank here that serves no purpose. Sylvia girl's gonna message you.
Oh my god.
Oh just made a new rule. Oh, okay.
Right, have another go.
Yeah, last trick rebate, innit?
How long did it first go the other day? That's just made me want to kill myself. Right, let's get this over with.
Aaron's out of the game. So on SHOT, he's been shot 4 times. Come on then, Ash. Come film it.
How do you feel about that one?
Feel good? Feel good about it?
It's not straight, that's really quite annoying. Oh my god. Okay. Ash, I want to see. Bar over?
Over the box?
Yeah. One.
No! I can't throw it!
That wasn't over though. There's a little bit, there's a case.
Can't do it again.
Remember how pedantic we were with Amelia's?
Should we give him a rebate?
Yeah, let's have a rebate.
Right, ready?
A kickflip down this.
He's got to do it because Olivia Grimley's just Snapchatted
Just imagine what she'd
Someone's
say.
not getting news tonight.
What did you say?
He said you're not going to do it.
I'm not going to be happy with that performance. I reckon if you don't like this guy, I'm going to Snapchat her tonight. Oh! She's been stolen. Yeah, semi.
Break it.
Semi.
Because we are out of battery, we are gonna
call the game.
Call that the end.
So I win. I got S. Aaron got
I think because he wins, he gets shot.
Fuck off, no.
Oh yeah, that makes right.
No,
I know
no,
this.
no, hang on. Give me the fucking camera back. As well.
Double shot bareback.
When before we didn't film it, but we did say the winner got to shoot the other 2. We did say that.
I don't think we did. It was.
No, we
I
did.
I don't remember that.
We said that.
Should we see
so
if we've got it on film? If we've not got it on
we
film,
said that. I don't care. We said that.
It's not been on film.
We said that.
I don't.
No.
Okay, so since we ran out of battery, we've not really got like a couple of seconds left. We're just gonna call that the end.
I won.
He won. I lost.
Aaron shit.
I-
Milo's Asian.
That's pretty true.
I'm
Right.
beautiful.
Bye bye.
No, that's it. We're out.